I'll grab my feet.
We just finished watching Seven Naughty Men. It was a super funny show with lots of great references to Christmas pop culture. You guys should come watch it. You're going to have a great time.
Seven Naughty Men might be the most important holiday comedy experience you can have this year in Kansas City. Come check it out at the Blue Theater.
I feel more Christmassy after that. That was wonderful. Everything's so funny. The best people. I love it. Great stuff.
Seven Naughty Men. It's a great time. Come check it out.